Okay, so I got Amazon Prime from the Amazon locker because it seems to be actually faster to get delivery to the locker than to your home. Probably because they can just drop it off faster over there. I got the Schnail case, the Titan one. I've been kind of busy, so I wasn't able to pick this up earlier than expected, but this is for my Samsung Note. I mean, not Note, but Samsung S20 Galaxy Ultra. Hold on one second. Okay, so the S20 Ultra Titan case. And like I said on my Twitter, looks like my pre-order for the Samsung Ultra is coming in later. Instead of March 6th, as it was told, now it's showing March 17, which I'm not happy about. Waiting to see if they'll respond, but look at that case. It's not easy being a super rugged bodyguard. Thank you for trusting us. Okay, so I'm just testing the bend. See how sturdy it feels. Feels pretty rugged, pretty nice. Of course, this is a kickstand flip, and this is rated for a 20-foot drop, so that's a nice feature. If I can get this open. Okay, so from here, look at that. So it'll hold up like this in place if you want to keep it in portrait mode or sideways in landscape mode. Okay, so this is a Xerox copy note, but it's handwritten. Nicely thought out to explain what the features are and the warranty. And they also have a good cost for it. I like that little bit of a personal touch.